Hello everyone, this is Stars of Knowledge Learner channel. I hope you guys are doing perfectly fine today. So guys, today's video is another cue card topic for September to December 2021. These cue cards are in continuation to the series we started in January, that is IELTS Speaking Cue Card Series 2021. And the topic of our today's cue card is talk about a businessman that you admire. You should say what is the name, what has he done, why you admire him, and how he becomes so successful. So let's start our sample answer for this cue card. So guys, this sample answer you can memorize it as it is, or you can just make some changes in this and make your own. So let's start our sample answer for the businessman cue card for 2021. Well, I know about a lot of business tycoons of different nationalities as well as from my own country, such as Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, Henry Ford, Ratan Tata, Anil Ambani, and many more. Here I would like to talk about Bill Gates, who is an American business magnate. He was born on 28th of October 1955 in Seattle, Washington in the United States of America, and is turning 65 years old next month. He is a software developer as well as renowned philanthropist. He is also an inventor. However, he is best known as the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. Although he is dropped out from college and did not graduate, yet he touched the horizon of success with his extraordinary skills, sharp mind, hard work, and dedication. During his tenure at Microsoft, Bill Gates held more than one positions as he was chairman, CEO, president, and chief software architect, while also being the largest shareholder until 2014. He is one of the most successful entrepreneurs and beginner of the Microsoft revolution during the 1970s and 80s. He has a net worth of over 105 million US dollars. He is married to Melinda Gates since 1994 and has 3 children. Since the late 80s, he is continuously included in the Forbes list of the world's wealthiest people. He has made gigantic donations several times to various charitable organizations as well as for scientific research programs. He also took an oath to give away half of his wealth to philanthropy. Moreover, he donated 600 million via UNICEF, which helped flood victims in Kerala. He has also helped in sponsoring many tennis events so far. He is also regarded as one of the most influential person of the 20th century. He bagged the title of the richest person of the world 4 times till date. He received many honorary doctorates from several esteemed universities as well as many business awards. He inspires many young aspiring entrepreneurs to make their dream come true, as he always says that one must grab every opportunity that he and she gets. So guys, this is the sample answer for the businessman cue card. I hope you like this video. If you do, please click on the like button, and also please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Learner. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.